Welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into best trade stimulator tips. So let's quickly dive into it. If you're using Finelo built-in trading stimulator, treat it like the real thing. Start by setting clear rules, pick one trade setup, define your entry and exit, then track your performance. The stimulator gives you virtual money to practice without risk. Also, use it to learn from mistakes, keep entries small, study with what went wrong, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Use the stimulator to test risk management, how much you will lose if things don't go your way, and build your confidence before moving into real trade. If this helped, hit the like, subscribe for more quick help and finance tips. You can also drop comments telling me what strategy you are testing in your stimulator. And that's it.